Hello guys, today I'm going to show you that there is a secret app on your phone that is secretly can scan your photos. So first of all, you have to go to settings. After that, go to apps and then search for Android system safety core. Click on it. After that, as you can see, no permission required. So click on it, and then as you can see, no permissions allowed, no permissions denied. So if you want to see that it has full access, click on three dots and click on all permissions. As you can see, it have full network access and can view network connection. So if you are not comfortable with it, just go back and then click on install and install it, and you can be safe. Okay, thank you guys and goodbye.